Snowing by the windmill. How come is it? Background music.
Jingle bell, jingle bell.
I'll read for you in this book until you fall asleep.
Jingle bell rock. Birds.
I assure the beauty. Accept the bouquet and apology. I love you too much to never hold a grudge. This is great. I love this book. This is so great. I am always pretty with
God is a
God
secret
is
and
a
beauty.
secret.
Oh man.
Or without jewelry.
Continue reading, Ken. Preach. Praise the Lord.
Just gonna read a poem from the Book of Birds. On a serious. I miss you too. I love you too. I'll just stay right here. I want to move. We'll maybe away a little. Like here, just around the corner. To hear what trees say about true love every day.
The fuck is that?
This is like this bird here, and you should. This is the bird who's telling you the poem. Trying to read it for you, but this is the bird. Summer, winter is all the same, 'cause in my home I'm always warm. And it goes on the side here. They say I came from Africa. No, from the house of my father, sent my master. And then it says, I believe her.
It's insane. Ken, this book was passed out to like everyone in the world at the Bella Center.
No idea why anyone